Change is one of the most interesting growth stories in the NNN investing category right now. A drive-through only oil change concept owned by Driven Brands, growing aggressively with small footprint absolute NNN leases and some of the most accessible entry prices in the market. Here's what you need to know about Take 5 NNN investing. Take 5 NNN properties, trade at 5.5% to 6.25% cap rates. The buildings are extremely compact, 1,400 to 1,600 square feet, on 0.5 to 0.65 acre lots. That small footprint means entry prices of $1.5 million to $2.5 million, one of the most affordable categories in all of NNN. Lease terms are 15 years absolute NNN with 4 5-year renewal options and 10% rent bumps every 5 years. Driven Brands, the public parent that owns Take 5, Meineke, Mako, and other automotive brands, provides the corporate backing. Driven Brands is publicly traded on NASDAQ, which provides financial transparency you don't get with many private NNN tenants. Take Five's model is simple. Drive-through oil changes in under 10 minutes, no lobby, no waiting, customer stays in the car. That operational simplicity has proven to scale well, and the company has grown from a regional chain to 1,100 plus locations with a clear national expansion roadmap. The aging U.S. vehicle fleet, average age now over 12 years, creates secular demand for oil changes that isn't going away. Small footprint means affordable entry for investors who want NNN absolute income without pharmacy level capital commitment. And Driven Brands public company structure gives you more financial visibility than you'd get with many QSR franchisee deals. Take 5 leases are absolute NNN, 15-year initial term, Driven Brands corporate guarantee, all operating costs on the tenant, rent bumps of 10% every 5 years. The drive-through only configuration means the building is purpose-built for this use. Multi-bay drive-through lanes designed for simultaneous vehicle service. This is a specialized building, which is both a stickiness factor for Take 5 and a releasing constraint if they ever exited. 3 things to watch with. Take 5. First, the specialized building, a multi-bay drive-through oil change facility, has very limited alternative uses. If Take 5 ever vacated, your releasing universe is essentially other quick oil change concepts or potentially automotive service uses. This is a specialized asset that requires a tenant with that specific operational need. Second, the EV transition is a legitimate long-term question for the oil change industry. Electric vehicles don't need oil changes. Current EV penetration is still under 8% of the US fleet, and most projections show the ICE fleet dominant for at least the next 15 to 20 years, which covers a full Take 5 lease. But if you're planning to hold long-term into renewals, understand this dynamic. Third, verify the Driven Brands corporate guarantee versus any franchisee structure. Most of Take 5 deals I see are corporate NNN, but confirm on the specific deal. Take 5 NNN is a growth story at an affordable entry point. Small box, absolute NNN, and a concept with clear national expansion trajectory. I'm Ryan Solberg with MaxLife Commercial. If you want to evaluate Take 5 Oil Change NNN properties in Florida, reach out. Visit maxlifedevelopment.com or call 321 586 2121.